story right now and happening today, the controversial Heritage Act, meant to protect Confederate monuments from being removed or changed, is going before the South Carolina Supreme Court. Let's check in now with 7 News' Henry Coburn. He is live in Greenville breaking down the ongoing debate. Good morning, Henry.
Hey, good morning there, Sabila. Yeah, the Heritage Act protects Confederate monuments and memorials like this one in downtown Greenville from being altered or otherwise removed without 2/3 of lawmakers voting to do so. Now, happening today at 10:30, the state Supreme Court will take up the question, is this act even constitutional? Now, it was originally passed more than 20 years ago in a compromise to remove the Confederate flag from the dome of the state house. The lawsuit challenging it today claims that the 2/3 requirement is a nearly impossible standard. Now, in a letter sent to the courts last August, South Carolina's Attorney General said it's likely also unconstitutional, but asked the courts to take up the issue. In Greenville, we spoke to one community activist last year when calls against the Heritage Act were at their loudest following George Floyd's death.
I think the Heritage Act is unconstitutional, and sometimes when you have an unconstitutional law, it's okay to break it. It's okay to go through it, go around it, and then challenge it later.
Now, it's an issue that people on both sides are passionate about all across our area. Now, Clemson University students previously rallied to change the name of Tillman Hall, named after a historically racist state senator. Or a state lawmaker, I should say. Now, in Anderson County, leaders last year faced backlash for considering moving a Confederate monument.
The Heritage Act of South Carolina was put in place to protect things like that, and I want them left alone.
Against the state law, gentlemen, for y'all to move that monument. And I mean no disrespect, but if you do, I will sue you.
Now, again, this case goes before the state Supreme Court at 10:30 this morning. We'll keep you up to date with the latest on air and online at WSPA.com. For now, we're live in Greenville. Henry Coburn, 7 News.
All right, Henry, thanks so much for that. Fred?
It's 5:33. Greenville County deputies